Hello there. Today's book is Just Going to the Dentist by Mercer Mayer. Let's get started. Mom took me to the dentist. She said I needed a checkup. I didn't need a checkup. My teeth were just fine. But we went anyway. At the dentist's office we met the nurse. She gave us a great big smile. I think she was showing off her teeth. The dentist wasn't ready to see me, so we sat in the waiting room. Other kids were there too. One of the bigger kids had wires all over her teeth. Mom said they were braces. I thought they were neat. I hoped I would get braces. We had to wait a long time, but there were toys to play with and books to read. When it was my turn, the nurse came to get me. I had to see the dentist all by myself. But I didn't mind too much. We went into the really weird room. It looked like a spaceship. I sat in a funny chair. It was called a dentist chair. The nurse put a bib on me. Then the nurse said that she was going to clean my teeth. It tickled a lot. She told me to spit in the sink. No grown-up had ever asked me to spit before. That was cool. Next she took pictures of my teeth. They were called X-rays. Just like Super Critter's X-ray vision. Then the dentist came in. He looked inside my mouth with a little mirror on a stick. The pictures of my teeth were ready. So the dentist called in my mom and we all looked at the pictures of my teeth. The dentist said I had one cavity and that he could fix it right then. They put me back in the dentist chair. The dentist told me he was going to give me something so I wouldn't feel anything. I closed my eyes real tight and counted to 10. Before I knew it, the dentist said it was all over. I hardly felt anything. Yuck. Then my mouth went numb. It was weird, I couldn't feel my tongue. Then the dentist said he was going to drill a hole in my tooth and clean out my cavity. There was a lot of noise in my mouth. But it didn't hurt. When the dentist finished, he sent me out to my mom. The nurse gave me a treat for free. You know, going to the dentist wasn't so bad. It just made me tired. The end. If you haven't done already, please like, share, and subscribe.